I came before his throne. He touched my lips and made me whole. Exchanged my heart of stone for one of flesh and put life in my bones. And all I can say is, holy is he. Yeah, holy is he. He opened up my eyes and gave me spiritual sight.
And all I can say is, holy is he. Holy is he. Holy is he. Holy. And all I can say is, holy is he. Holy is he. Holy is he. Holy. And all I can say is,
holy is he. Holy is he. Now that my eyes have seen your light, I just wanna stay and behold your glory, Lord. And now that my eyes have seen your light, I just wanna stay and behold your glory, Lord. Holy is he. I could not believe my eyes, how he's purified my life. Holy is he.
and all I can say is, holy is he. Holy is he. Holy is he. Holy. And all I can say is, and all I can say is, holy is he.
You will never cease to be beside me, constant, not dependent on what I see. And I can always trust you know what I need. And now I know that I can trust you rightly. And you came through the sky like you opened blind eyes. So I'm keeping you right, no more looking behind. You are good, you are kind, you can have all my life. I'm yours, you are mine. You my miracle. You open my eyes. Every day brings new life when I'm by your side. When I'm by your side. Forever, Lord, your love will always be the same. I know that your faithfulness will never change. I'm trusting in the way that you provide for me today. What more can I say? Lift my hands and pray. I know you will always be enough. Always fill my cup. Looked around the world to find a love that's something like your love, but I couldn't find anything even close. Anywhere that I go, everywhere now I know you will always
so good, you always are so good. Yeah, you will never fail me, you will never fail me.
You will never fail me, you will never fail me.
Yeah, you will never fail me, you will never fail me.
You will never fail me, you will never fail me.
You will never fail me, you will never fail me.
Never fail me, no.
Whoa, whoa, you will never fail me, you will never fail me.
Never fail me.
Hold my days, I will worship in your house. Hold my days, I will worship in your house. Hold my days, I will worship in your house. Hold my days, I will worship in your house. 'Cause in your courts is where I wanna be. One day there, then 1,000 elsewhere. In your courts is where I wanna be. One day there, then 1,000 elsewhere. All my days I will worship in your house. All my days I will worship in your house. All my life I will spend it at your Jesus, make a dwelling place in me. 'Cause in your courts is where I wanna be. One day there, then 1,000 elsewhere. In your courts is where I wanna be. One day there, then 1,000 elsewhere. In your courts is where I wanna be. One day there, then 1,000 elsewhere. In your courts is where I wanna be. One day there, then 1,000 elsewhere.
And I will not stray from this place of friendship. My soul longs to be in your courts. I'll fix my eyes upon you, Jesus, as my life's transformed. And I will not stray from this place of friendship.
My soul longs to be in your